Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A98 and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list, and I forgot that I do not have a lot of contacts, so let's create new contact fastly. Okay, whatever, and the phone number, whatever. Let's tap on save. Alright, so if you've got the contact without the photo, simply tap on it, tap on this edit icon in the right corner and tap on add picture. And here we've got some sections. So we've got the illustrations, which are quite new option. So you can pick something from those kind of pre-installed illustrations, which are really cool. But you can also use the device photos. And here we've got also two different options. So we've got the gallery, and thanks to this we can pick something which is currently saved, or we can open the camera and take a photo of the person who's, for example, right in front of us. But I will pick the gallery, so let me tap on it and let's find a photo. Let me pick this cute little guy. And as you can see, right here we can zoom in or out the photo, we can change the position of it, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So if you're happy, just tap on choose, and right now remember to tap on save in the right upper corner. And as you can see, this is how our contact looks like. It's really cute, and you will be able to see the photo on the contact list, for example, and during all incoming calls from that number. So basically that's all. This is how to add the photo to contact in your OPPO A98. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.